CTV News has learned that the federal government will soon drop all testing requirements at the border. For reaction, we're joined by Beth Potter. She's the president and CEO of Tourism Industry Association of Canada. Beth, a lot of families on March break travel right now, hearing the news that come April 1st, you don't need a test if you're vaccinated.
Well, this is what we're hearing too, and this is a really good move. We are so happy. You know, Friday will be the 2-year anniversary of when our borders closed due to the pandemic. And so this timing is, we've been waiting for this for a long time, and we're really pleased to know that it's coming.
Is April 1st the right time?
You know, we wanted it to be lifted before everyone left for March break. So we understand that, you know, these things have to happen, and they'll happen in the time frame that government puts down in place. It hopefully will be the right time to encourage you know, visitors to think of Canada for their summer vacation. The spring season is pretty much, you know, it'll have been booked already, but we're really hoping that April 1st is a good date to allow for us to start seeing international visitation back to Canada this summer.
How significant do you think it is to get Americans over here?
This is a huge significance. You know, Americans are our #1 international visitor, and so we want to see them come back in droves. And we've heard a lot from not only tourism businesses across the country, but from those border towns that really do rely on American visitation quite significantly. And even more importantly, business travel from the States and business events coming back to Canada. This, you know, represents a huge part of our industry, and we are looking forward to welcoming those visitors back and to welcoming those business travelers back. And this move, this announcement that we anticipate coming out tomorrow, you know, that sends a message that Canada is open for business again.
And quickly, Beth, if the next step is to lift this testing requirement, what is the steps to follow to build back the tourism industry?
Well, there are a couple of steps. One, we really need to see government continue to provide some of those subsidy supports that have been in place. The Tourism and Hospitality Recovery Program is one of them. It was cut in half this past weekend, and businesses are going to need to rely on that subsidy support as they plan their reopening, as they bring their staff back. They need some of that predictability. And then we're really going to need to hear loud and clear from our government officials and from our marketing agencies across the country, that message going out to the world that Canada is open, that we want you to come back, that travel is safe, and that, you know, we're ready to welcome you again.
It's nice to hear it, Beth. Thanks for making time.